You don't need to be an expert to make money online. Watch this video. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. Remember, making money online is a long-term game. Nothing happens overnight when it comes to online income. It takes time to build up your opportunity. Don't get frustrated. Work at it every single day, and you can make a big difference. Persistence and dedication are the keys to success. You must be ready to prove your identity if you want to make any money online. You will have to provide valid identification at many online money-making sites. The process will be much simpler if you're prepared with your ID. Consider what your time is worth before you start working. If you intend to do something online to make money, what is your minimum acceptable hourly wage? If you're willing to do work for very little, it's unlikely that you'll ever make much at all. People will take advantage of you. Diversify your income streams as much as possible. Sometimes great sites and plans do not work out. What works today may not work tomorrow. It's best to have a variety of income streams. This makes sure you don't put all your eggs in one basket. Freelancing is a great way to work online. There are a number of sites that will allow you to log on and put in an idea or proposal. Buyers then search the available options and figure out what they would like to purchase. Freelancing is best suited for skills that involve things like programming and data entry. If you have a blog or website ready to go, think about selling advertising space on it. You will earn money each time one of your visitors stops what they are doing and clicks on the ad. The best way to be successful and earn money with pay-per-click advertising is to have a good website that offers valuable information. This will increase your traffic flow as well as the number of clicks you are getting. Google AdSense is one program that can get you started. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But, there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Student loan.